I very much enjoyed your lesson. Is there anything that you felt went really well in your lesson? Or how do you feel that what
Um,
lesson went?
I think the student, I'm glad I think they understand my instruction. They know what to do, and when they doing the activity in the classroom, um, they can follow my instruction very well.
Okay. And
Yeah,
is there anything that you kind of wish that you could have done a little bit better?
I think maybe I should give them more example. Really
Okay.
real example. Yeah.
Okay. So I've got a few points here. What went well, I feel that the explanation was fantastic. You were quite clear with the
Mm-hmm.
students. I
Mm-hmm.
also felt that you were great in kind of going around the classroom, making sure that students were engaged, and that kind of
Yes. Yeah.
you were making sure that they were on task and making sure that they were on the right path. And I also felt that your activity at the end, where you asked the students to go around and see other examples of work, I thought that was a great way of kind of exposing the students to lots of different types of work and also getting them up and active as well. So I thought that was fantastic. So good job on that.
Mm-hmm.
Just some
Thank
points
you.
that even better ifs. I would say that when you were giving your instructions, I would perhaps kind of give yourself a little bit more time and wait for the entire class to listen. Make sure that everyone's listening rather than kind of trying to go straight into the activity. And
Mm-hmm,
also,
mm-hmm,
I would probably also kind of maybe have some form of list or some form of kind of visual instruction, whether it's digital, whether you kind of have it on the whiteboard or the interactive board, just so you're kind of clear about your learning intentions. The children are clear as well, and things just kind of
mm-hmm,
flow a lot easier, kind of thing. So
mm-hmm,
that's what I
mm-hmm.
thought. But other than that, I thought it was fantastic, fantastic lesson.
Right. So Lee, I really like appreciate your teaching, and I saw that I really want to say that I really like the way you grade your student at the door in the beginning, and then I can see you have a very good relationship with your student, and I can see you bring a very positive um you know um what is that called, climate in the classroom. So yeah,
Thank you.
I appreciate that. I appreciate that. And then I see that you explain your instruction very well with some example, and then sometimes you ask the question to make sure the student, if they really understand.
Yeah,
And you also notice that whenever in the beginning of your teaching video, I see that when you start to talk and you kind of notice that your student is not listening, so you remind them to put down the pencil, or kind of like grab the attention for the student
yeah,
to you. Yeah, that is very good.
yeah,
uh Also, I see that especially you kind of you have them sitting in different group, and you give them each group, each person different question,
yeah.
unrelated the same topic, but a different question, so that they cannot like cheating to each other, like copy the answer from each
Mhm.
other. Instead
Yeah.
of that, they can work independently, but if they
Mhm.
have question, they can still discuss with each other. I think it's a very good strategy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So basically, yeah, I like that. Yeah, basically I like the many teaching strategy you use in the
Mm.
classroom, and then I think you manage the classroom very well, and I like the atmosphere in your classroom.
Thank you.
um but again, I think when you explain the how to write a story, how to write the analyze paragraph to the story,
Yeah.
I kind of get a little confused about that. So I think it would be better if you provide more example,
Okay.
um, yeah, to the student. It's
Hmm.
either, either on the screen, like, or, show on the screen, or maybe have the example from the student and, show to everybody in this classroom. That will be better, make it more clear.
No
That's my
problem.
opinion.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.